Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back here at Crypto Nation. This is how we do it. Hey, I just want to say thanks to all my recently new subscribers. Hey, if you're new here, it's totally free. Subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. Also, I'm not your financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto asset whatsoever. With further ado, let's get right onto it. Hey, also, if you'd like to support the channel, PayPal, Cash App is always in the description, or get the channel membership, $3 a month. You can see my portfolio. You can see exactly what I'm holding, how many coins I'm holding for each position, and you can also I share with you guys first whenever I look for potential good low cap utility tokens that I think can possibly 50 to 100x in the bull run. I definitely share it with you guys first to the channel members before I release it to the regular channel. But anyways, let's get right onto it. So Bitcoin is just, trading sideways. That's been the story of them both for the last couple of weeks. Ethereum is at just at what, just over 2,900. Bitcoin is at 61K. So yeah, it looked like Bitcoin is still trying to. It can't make up its mind whether it want to go ahead and pump back up to like 70K or go back down to like 55K. It's trying to make up its mind what it wants to do. A lot of people saying that it needs to retest 55K again for a lot of altcoins can find a lot of level support. But thing is, if we test that 55K again, a lot of altcoins are going to dip pretty hard. But they're going to find new levels of support. But we'll see what happens. Or maybe we'll test that 57, 58K again, before altcoins start, go flying like we did, a few months back. But anyways, let's see what happens. This market is unpredictable, but Bitcoin has definitely been trading sideways over the last like over a week now. It's down 4% in the 7 day. We have Ethereum down about 6.79%, and they're slightly up for the 24 hour, just up 1% for 24 hours, and Ethereum is up 0.73 cents percent for the 24. So that's what's going on with that. Bitcoin and ETH. We're going to see how long this sideways action is going to last. But like I said before, I'm thinking by the end of this month, going into June, I believe that Bitcoin is going to start to take off in June. That's just what I highly believe. But this is, as far as altcoins is concerned, this is the perfect time to be loading up on alts. If you can, I'm loading up on much as I possibly can. But anyways, let's get right onto it. So I wanted to do an update on Jasmy, see what's going on with Jasmy. I think it's been about a week since my last video. Talk about it, from time to time. But right now I see it has a price of 0.0179. It obviously pulled back over the last, couple of weeks to a month. It's down. It looked like here it's down 21% for the month, down 9.7% for the week, down 0.4% for the day, up 0.1% for the hour. So, just like Jasmy, it follows Bitcoin to the T. If Bitcoin is going to continue to trade sideways, obviously Jasmy is going to trade sideways as well. So let's say Bitcoin all of a sudden pumps up to like 65, 66K. Obviously Bitcoin is going to pump back up to like 2 or 3 cents. I can see Bitcoin pumping up to 3 cents. Excuse me. I can see Jasmy pumping up to 3 cents if Bitcoin could pump up to like 60, between 66 to 68K. But just like Swift, Jasmy coin, it follows Bitcoin to the T. So if Bitcoin goes down, Jasmy goes down harder. Just remember that. I know because I've been following Jasmy for the past 2.5 years, going on 3 years. So Jasmy is definitely it's gonna do what Bitcoin does. But the good part is Jasmy. And this is the perfect time to whoever's still holding Jasmy, this is the perfect time to I guess pick up more at that price. At it was over 2 cents a few months back, and then it pulled back. We had a few flash crashes, but if you look here, it's ranked 89%. I said ranked 89, excuse me. It's ranked 89 on Coin Market Cap. It's a top 89 100 crypto. So yeah, there's a lot going on. They already laid out their roadmap a few months back. So Jasmy, it's definitely gonna do its thing in the bull run. It's a lot of speculation where it's going. Me personally, I do believe it's gonna bear minimum I'll say by the end of 2024, going into 25. It could definitely, depending where Bitcoin is at. Think about if Bitcoin is at 150K by the end of 2024, right? Bitcoin is at about 150K. I believe that Jasmy can at least be at 50 cents or higher, or even a dollar, where a lot of people think that Bitcoin is going to go to, excuse me, where a lot of people think Jasmy is going to go to 50 cents to a dollar. So just keep in mind of that range of Jasmy between, 50 cents to a dollar, by the end of 2024 going into 25. It's very possible, especially once when the crypto market starts to explode. Uh, the Bitcoin halving was about a month ago. So, but if you look at the historical data of Bitcoin, it's traded, sideways up to a month, even up to a couple of months after the Bitcoin halving. But there's a lot of things that's going into play right now. We got to look at a lot of things going into play, such as more countries are doing a spot Bitcoin ETF. Australia just did theirs. I think eventually South Korea is going to have one. Hong Kong has one. So it's only going to be a matter of time before a lot of these alts, explode with Bitcoin. It's like I said. I broke the news about, a lot of people know Wells Fargo, the third largest bank in America, is they filed for their spot Bitcoin ETF. So yeah, guys. So now we got more institutions, filing for the spot Bitcoin ETF. I'm telling you, it's only going to be a matter of time before Bitcoin explodes here. We don't know when, but like I said, I think it's going to start by June, by early June. Uh, I just want to say this, just keep in mind between June and September is going to be big in crypto. Those 4 months. So we have June, July, August, September. Just keep in mind those 4 months in crypto. Mark my words. Um, uh, those are going to be 4 big months of crypto between June and September. That's when a lot of life changing gains are going to be made during that time. And then they say historically October is when the market goes down. So we may see a flash crash in October, but I'm assuming by September, before October hits of this year, I think a lot of people's going to be selling off, taking profits because there's going to be a lot of life changing gains made this summer. I believe this summer the market is going to go parabolic this summer. That's just what I highly believe. And then after, like I said, we may see like some type of a crash in October, whether it's a flash crash. Then after that, the market is going to come back up. We may see one more major pump going into 2025. But I'm just kind of speculating, but you know that. But I think I think there's a maybe I'll say an 80% chance of that happening. Between June and September, we're going to be seeing big gains in crypto, and then the market is going to pull back in October, and then by November the market is going to start to come back up, and we're going to see probably the second half of the bull run. But like I said, I believe this bull run is going to go until 2025. But anybody have a course of when? I do not know. At this point, we only can speculate. Some people saying the bull run is going to end before 2025, but we'll see. It's all speculation at this point. But Bitcoin is expected to hit about 125, 150,000 Bitcoin, by the end of 2024. But we'll see. Uh, like I said, this summer is going to be big. Bitcoin could possibly hit 150 by August, September. It's gonna go parabolic. But anyways, as far as Jasmy's just gonna continue to follow Bitcoin. It's just like a lot of other cryptos like Swift, Spell, all these other alts, XCN, all these other projects that are out there. Um, and many more. Because at the end of the day, there's thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there. Then you have the top 1,000 cryptos that are on, crypto bubbles, the top 1,000. And then you have the cryptos that are outside of the 1,000, you know. But like I keep saying it before, it's these low cap utilities that are going to explode in a bull run. The same thing with Jasmy. I believe Jasmy is going to at least 30. We're going to at least see about a 30 to 50x with Jasmy, over the next 6 to 8 months. That's just what I believe. But anyways, that is my take on the market. Check out some of the community comments here. This is what somebody posted. Forming a bullish pennant. A breakout could signal a 2x, 3x surge. A stop loss if any daily candle closes to 0.016. Okay. It says intrigued about which cryptocurrencies are on the verge of hitting the 1 billion market cap milestone. Okay. It says, okay, Jasmine forecast looks bright. Okay. It says Jasmine will hit $1. Question mark. It's possible. It's not guaranteed, but it's possible. For a lot of people, even if Jasmine hits like 50 cents, a lot of people's going to be in in life changing, gains. That's why it's very important to buy the dips. Okay, so this person says, I have said it and I will say it again. Jasmine will shock the crypto world very soon. The KPI goal is $17 in 2026. Says we are nearly halfway through 2024. The team said they are still on track to reach 17 KPI goal. $1 is only 6% of the KPI goal. Then he says something shocking is coming. It says hang in there and be part of Jasmine Moon Party. Huh. Wow. So they're saying that Jasmine has a KPI to hit $17 by 2026. We'll see. We will definitely see if that's really possible. Hey, it could be, but what would that market cap be though? That'll be like a $17 Jasmine. That'll put literally, technically, that'll put Jasmine at a top five crypto, right? $17 because Jasmine already had a 1 billion market cap, right? So at $17, um, yeah, that'll put Jasmine at a top five crypto. I'm assuming. I don't know. I could be wrong, but that's pretty crazy. But yeah, by 2026, that could be possible. Um, but I think by 2026, there's going to be a bear market, right? I don't know. Who knows what the market is going to do? We went through the longest bear market, so I'm assuming this is going to be the longest bull market, right? But we'll see. It says added 50K coins, 30 cents still in the cards. BTC to 150K. 3 years ago, Jasmine was priced at $1.48. It said it's not impossible to hit that price again in the next 36 months. That's very possible. Huh, okay, so they're showing Velo. I just covered Velo yesterday. Velo's definitely going to be big as well, but I'm hoping they can get on Coinbase soon. It says thrilling opportunity to trade Velo. Okay, they're talking about trading. But anyways, guys, that is my take on Jasmine. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for post notifications. Hey, please go ahead if you can't get the channel membership, $3 a month to support the channel. I'm going to be posting a new video for the private members, either if not tonight, tomorrow night. Either tonight or tomorrow night, I'll be posting a new video for the channel members where you can see my portfolio. And I'm going to search for a new low cap gem. I'm going to cover a new low cap utility coin that's preferably on Coinbase and that can possibly explode. But yeah, thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. That's my update on Jasmy. Hey, I will see you guys um, in the next one. Take care.